Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. This is JR with the Hustlers Apprentice channel, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys want to hear more about credit, about real estate, about jobs, gigs, hustles, things like that, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell. That way you receive all the notifications for all of my future videos. So with that being said, I'm going to hop right into this video. So today I'm going to be talking about Kickoff. I don't know if you guys heard about this, kickoff.com to be specific. That's K-I-K off. The link will be in the description for you guys to check it out. I mentioned it in my previous videos, and it's an awesome credit builder installment loan that you get. The reason why I say this, and I've put a lot of my clients up on it, and they've seen improvements literally within like a few days, which is weird, which the website itself says could take up to 6 weeks. But it's been within a few days. The reason why it's so unique and easy is because it's a $12 installment loan that you have to pay back within a year. So you only pay $1 a month. It's awesome. If you don't have $12, then you don't need credit at the end of the day. It's something that is completely awesome. It's affordable and it's easy to pay back. And I just can't. I wish I had something like this when I was starting back up on my credit journey. So other than that being the basics of how it works, they do report to all 3 credit bureaus. So there's a caveat on TransUnion. So if you don't have any accounts, like if you have never had any history, or I think if you don't have any active accounts, it will report to TransUnion as well. But if you already have established credit history, it's not going to report to your TransUnion. It's going to report to your Equifax and Experian. So not to say that that's still good. It's two bureaus out of 3. So it's an installment loan. A lot of times, my clients, they have issues getting installment loans other than self lender, which is another one that people ask me about constantly. But this one is super easy. It's $12 and you just pay it over the term of a year. How this helps you, and you're like, well, how is this going to help me? A lot of times when we're building credit, we always talk about revolving credit, secure credit cards, things like that. But we never talk about the installment part, which is that 5% of, that mix of credit, or that credit mix that makes your credit report so unique. And this is part of it. So it's an unsecured, it's going to show up as an unsecured personal loan on your credit report. And like I said, I've seen increases for people within days, and it's been pretty substantial. Obviously, for people who don't have any credit, you're going to get a much higher boost than someone who's already had established credit. And another thing about it is this is going to be 12 months when it's all said and done. So you'll have a 12-month or 1-year-old trade line by the time you complete your last payment. Please don't miss any payments. Please make sure you have the money in your account for them drafting or you making your payment. Because that's the worst thing you can do is miss a payment. So I highly encourage you guys, stay on top of that. This is an awesome product, and you can tell the people who did design this, they kept people in mind who have trouble building credit. So I haven't heard anything negative. There's been nothing but positive comments, positive rave reviews, things like that in reference to this. And like I said, I highly encourage you guys to join up. I have it listed as one of my most recommended lines of credit for all new clients to subscribe to, because it's instant approval. You're not going to get denied from my experience. So I don't think I'm missing anything. I think I pretty much covered everything. It's just that easy. But like I said, I'll have the link in the description. You guys, I highly encourage you to check it out. Let me know your thoughts and your experience with it. I hope you don't have anything negative to say about it. I'm not getting paid by them, but I've heard nothing but positive things. I haven't applied for it myself because I already have, a lot of installment accounts. I haven't really seen the need to do it, but I have had my clients do it. And I refer every client who purchases a trade line, I always tell them to sign up with these guys because it's an awesome company. So with that being said, check it out. Let me know your thoughts. If you already signed up, hey, still let me know your thoughts below. And, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to email them to me. If you're seeking any advice or anything, hit me up. My email, everything is in the description. I also invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I also have 2 other channels, my JR Wisdom channel and my Wisdom Fitness channel. JR Wisdom channel, if you're trying to learn about relationships, self-improvement, and things like that, it's all on JR Wisdom. My Wisdom Fitness channel, I just launched it, so I'm still adding content, but check those out as well. I also want you guys to check out my affiliate links in the description if you guys are trying to get on to credit cards and bank accounts. Those are my referrals, or what I think are awesome companies. Make sure you guys check those out to get plugged in. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Peace be upon you, and the mercy and blessings of the Almighty, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.